Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your Gmail default country code, or just changing what country is associated with your Gmail account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the gear icon up at the top right, so just go ahead and left click on that. And then on the right side, you want to select where it says See All Settings. Underneath the General tab, you can see the default country code underneath phone numbers. So you can click on the drop down here and select the appropriate country. And you can also change the default language in here as well. Not really in the scope of what this tutorial is about. It's more has to do with the country code for phone numbers and dialing. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.